Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to work with some basic text sizes, text styles as well, and how to move text around on your web page. Now Dreamweaver has changed the use of text in this version, and now all of the text is done by something called CSS. So what I'm going to need to do first of all is I'm just going to write some text. This is some text. I'm going to highlight that text, and if I right click on this I can see an option here for CSS styles. So what I'm going to do is go to new. I'm going to call this heading 1. Okay, and from here this is where I now need to change the effect. So for example I can make it 36 and italic. I can choose a font family as well. Now the reason why we use font families is because not every single PC in the world has all of the fonts installed, but every single PC in the world with internet access does have all of these installed, so they are font families. In another tutorial I'll show you how to insert fonts of your own choosing, and they have to be images. Anyway, so let's also change the colour. I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to click OK. Hasn't actually done anything, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the text again, and down here now you can see class, and we've got heading 1 as an option. This is some more text. This time I'm going to make it as a subheading, so I'm going to highlight it again, right click CSS, oops, wrong button there, let's try that again, right click CSS new, this time I'm going to call it heading 2. Okay, this time I'm going to make it size 24. I'm going to make it perhaps reddish colour but not quite red, and I'm going to probably stick with the same font. Okay, again it hasn't done anything, but I've created a CSS style, so now I can highlight what I want, and now I can select heading 2. The other thing I wanted to show you here is how to move these text instances around. So we're going to go to insert, layout objects, and then active, and this works almost like a text box. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight my text, click and drag it into the active, and from there I can move it around, pick it up, resize it, etc. You can also do some things with the active. You can change the background, etc. By changing some of the properties over here. So have a little play around with actives as well. Okay, that is inserting different styles of text with CSS.